Hey YouTubers and modelers and repair people alike. We got another model on the bench today, and it's the Saucer Man from Billiken. It's an old model. Let's see if we can open it up. Put it up here. Is it taped? I don't know. Pretty well secured. Let me try it over here. Didn't want to have to do that. Didn't want to have to rip it. Let's open it up. Well, we're going to make it anyway, but we're going to save the box. There's all the parts. There's the instructions. Show you the instructions. There's the instructions. You can see that. It's a pretty cool model. I like these space alien ones. Pretty cool. So I put the instructions with the box. Usually what I do with the boxes afterwards, I fold them up. And what I do is flatten them out, fold them up, and put them away. I save the box. Just open this up. Parts. Oh wow. It's a vinyl model. Look at the size of that. Look at the size of that head. Wow. When he moves, see? See, this is an example of models that are made right. Some of these will move and when you put them together, and this is partly built already and repackaged, but that's okay. The legs here, the hands, not too much to do really, just to put this one together. Just have to put these two parts together here, and do that next. Okay, so we heated up the waist here, down here, the lip, and we heated up all around here with the good old blow dryer or heat gun, and with a little force and persuasion, we got that to snap together. Okay, so I don't think he's gonna stand. Well, he'll stand pretty good. So let's put his hands on next. So what you do is you heat it up like this. And you heat it up like that. And you're going to snap the hand on. And you twist it. And see, it goes on like that. Okay? You could also glue it, put a little dot of glue in the seam, just so, you know, it doesn't pop off. I'll do the other one now. It's all together now, and holding his alien, his human head, which they transform from their alien head to the human head and fool everybody, thinking that they're humans. And in the next video, we'll do another video, and we'll get them painted. Be interesting to do that. But he's all done for now. Thanks for watching. Ring the little bell for notification for the next video.